Bitcoin appears to be actively consolidating between the prices of $92,000 and $95,000. This is pretty normal after the massive pumps, especially after a short squeeze that we saw earlier this week. Now, on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame for that matter, the price versus while money flow is high, trades in favor is high, and we are getting generally bearish signals. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can find the next potential bottom in order to maximize your profit on the way back up. Any drops from this current price could be the last bottom before substantial price moves up that could take us all the way back to the all-time high. Guys, big things are coming in the market, and I want to let you know we just won our 285th trade in a row over the last 26 months. Now, I'm going to go over this trade a little bit later. Today, I want to talk to you about our spring indicator sale, up to $650 off all the indicators and more that I'll be showing you in this video. This person was up $4,300 in a week, $9,000, $2,100 in 3 days. First 3 trades were $500, $5,200, $4,300, and it just keeps going. Last, the next Inner Circle live Zoom hangout is today, April 24th. Join us today for live coaching and Q&A with all of the Trade Confident members. More on that later. I want to get started in the analysis. Today we are trading Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We haven't quite reached the absolute top resistance that we were looking at of $95,000. But even if the price begins dropping, as long as it stays above the recent bottom of $83,000, this is still considered a higher low, after which we should be expecting higher highs. I think we're easily going to break $95,000 within the next couple of weeks, as long as technical analysis continues to play out. Now, there's 2 scenarios in which this could happen. We could either drop all the way down to 86,600, at which point we should see price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and ideally a buy or strong buy signal, just as we did back here, to call a huge move up. Strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, sees a move up. The other option is what happened right here. This is called a short squeeze. There was a lot of short trades. We had serious bearish signals at this time, but we see that instead of dropping, whale money continued into the market. This liquidated short traders at this level and took away a lot of bearish pressure, allowing the price to move up. Around this point is when traders began trying to buy in order to recuperate the losses from their liquidated trades. So at the same time, there was increased bullish pressure. This pushed us up to the $95,000 range. Guys, this is extremely exciting. So either we're going to drop down to 86,600 or we're going to short squeeze from this level almost immediately, just as we did back here. Yes, I know this is saying the price could go either way. Of course it could go either way. It can only go up or down. What my point is here is there's a way you can play this in order to maximize profits either way. What I'm talking about is making an entry at the current price and setting a buy limit at what we expect the lower point to be. The bottom that we expect, put a support level, or I'm sorry, a buy limit right at that level. So if the price takes off, easy money, you can get ready for the next trade. But if the price drops below this level, let's say $88,000, you've now significantly increased the amount of money in the market. You've decreased your break even, meaning you're coming into profit faster. And on the move up, this is still significant money. In fact, more money than you would make if you just bought in here. So either way, you are winning your trade. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you you should enter here. I'm not telling you how to make your trades, but this is how we've done it at Trade Confident. And this is the strategy that has earned us 285 successful trade calls with 0 losses in the last 26 months. It really is that easy. Typically, I will say, we're looking for the bullish trifecta before making entries. And that's why I encourage some of you, if you don't want to risk downside, to wait until a drop happens. But if you want the best of both worlds, this is how we like to do it. Now, the TC top and bottom finder has risk management built in and allows you to take profits as well. The buy limits are a little bit lower, down to $71,000 in case of a massive crash. This is more of a long-term play. I want everyone to remember that. This is more of a long-term play. But you can use use previous support levels to set your own buy limits instead of what the TC top and bottom finder offers. And the way I like to do that is just find previous support levels, in this case 86,600, and setting a buy limit just above that. Simple as that. It makes it more likely to hit. You don't have to exactly hit 86,600 because, as you see right here, sometimes it just doesn't quite make it. So a point at $88,000 may allow for some extra spread if your exchange uses that strategy. Again, we want to see price versus while money flow low and trades in favor low and a buy or strong buy signal around structure support to make the best possible entry. But if you are in the camp that believes this is about to be a short squeeze, which is absolutely possible, it may be worth making an entry now and setting a buy limit just in case. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you when or how you should enter a trade. Again, this is just how we've managed to earn 285 successful trade calls. It's how these traders down here are making $4,300. How this person earned $500, $5,200, $4,300. If we go up to the profits page, it's how this trader down here earned 103% profit in 34 days. And if you want to get access to the indicators that are allowing our members to do that, the spring sale is live now until May 2nd at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Do not miss out on this. And guys, as a member, you're going to maximize your discount, but you're also going to get access to today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout for live coaching, training, and Q&A with Travis Martin, the founder of Trade Confident himself. To get access, what you're going to want to do is head down to the links in the description down below. Membership is going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. You're immediately going to be offered $250 off with this coupon code. More savings to come. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you a $400 discount, bringing you to a full $650 off. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.